Hey guys, this is my ball python, and I'm going to teach y'all, if y'all have a ball python, I'm going to teach y'all the proper way to handle, the hand hold your ball python. The worst thing you can ever do, I mean, ball pythons are very nice. I can just touch her. She won't attack me, but they can have their moods some days. So the first thing you should never do is just open up the cage and like grab in there and pick her up. What you should do first is like get a snake hook like this. Now it can stretch, like this one right here can have a stretch. And what you need to do is just gently rub her. Tell her that you're not food, you just here to pick her up. And if she doesn't strike at it or nothing, she's alright, she's good. So what you do, you don't grab her like that. Or never ever pick her up by her head. Boas and pythons do not like their heads being caressed at any all. So what you should do is just do that. Just rub her and tell her that you're not food. And what you gotta do is just pick her up. Like that. Don't squeeze. Just pick her up. It's kind of hard doing it with one hand, but yeah. There she is, guys. Now, you see she's on this edge strike. That doesn't mean that she's about to strike, okay? Doesn't always mean that. She's only flicking her tongue now, she's curious. Oop, I'm scared. I got paint on my hand. I cannot get this paint off my hand at all. But yeah, this is how y'all hold it. All pythons is the best snakes to start off from. They do get pretty big, about at least 5 or 6 feet. But you barely ever see a ball python ever bite somebody. Unless it thinks it's food or it just having a bad day. So yeah. This is her. She has the most beautiful pattern at all. I'm sorry about the paint on my hand. Yeah. That's her. And put her right down and just put her head on the ground just like this. And just let her move by herself. Just let her get off your own hand. Just, you can gently set her down. There you go. That's all y'all have to do. Just never ever just open up the cage and just grab in and get her. Just rub on her like this. And just pick her up. Just like that. Alright guys, I'll see you guys in the next video. Make sure you like, subscribe, comment if you got any more questions on how to handle a ball python. But yeah, that's it. See you on the next one.